seal using a putty knife or a blunt object. Pull it out and make a mental note of how the seal goes in. You'll notice there's ribbed edge that goes up against the glass. You pull it out and put it to the side. Now turn the shelf up and over and push the glass towards you. Now pick the glass out, put it to the side. Now lay down the frame and remove the rear seal. Make a mental note of how the seal goes in. Notice the ribbed side goes up towards the top of the frame. Set it aside. Remove the front upper seal. It's just pressed in there. Make a mental note of how it goes in. Flip the frame over. Clean as necessary. Now put it back together in the reverse operation. Notice the groove in the seal fits in the ridge on the frame. Slide down there and line up the seal. Press it down like so. Okay. Now flip the shelf over the frame. Take the glass, make sure the Sub-Zero logo is facing upward. Install the rear seal. Notice the ribbed part goes facing upward. Just like so. Slide it down, snug it up, and line it up like so. I'll take the frame and stand the frame up. Place the glass into the front of the frame. Square the frame and push it back. Then pull the glass up. Lay the shelf down and reinstall the lower front seal. Line up the ribs with the glass. Push in tightly. And just work that all the way over until the end. So just a nice tight snug fit, and that'll keep the glass from shifting or moving or for the seals to come out. You can take a blunt object like a stick and press in the corners. And that's how you disassemble and assemble a Sub-Zero 500 series shelf.